Hey everyone, it's John Taylor. I'm on my news desk and prop trading desk. Today's Tuesday, January 13th, 2026. Man, time flies. A lot of exciting news. Like and share. Please subscribe to my channel. Gotta go. I'm going over the geopolitical news, and then from there I look at socioeconomic. And if you stay with me to the end, you get free alpha. Bitcoin's pumping, Ethereum's pumping. The cryptocurrencies are doing well. Gold and silver, platinum, palladium. I go over all this here on my channel. I stay in my lane, how to survive economically and look at the geopolitics and look at the different scenarios on commodities and how they play out. Gold is pumping up, man, the VIX. So here's the news being reported real quick here today. Stock indexes slip as the Magnificent Seven tech. Is the AI bubble playing out? Magnificent Seven. Musk's AI chatbot faces global backlash over images. Wall Street CEO Jamie Dimon stop attacking the Fed and credit cards. So JP Morgan's not doing so well. They're also being affected. They have a synthetic short position on silver, and they could, it's far out, opinion only, but JP Morgan could go bust out. They don't have any reserve requirements, so their interest expense and how they earn interest is on credit cards and loans and everything. So, and then they have a big short position again for JPM. So some people are shorting JP Morgan stock. So opinion only. Family budgets are stretched, and bargain groceries like Aldi seizes the momentum and rapid expansion. Prices, even though CPI came in light today and everything, price of cattle and beef is through the roof. Citi is betting on another super cycle in Palantir stock. I've owned Palantir stock for some time. So I go over geopolitics, and then the socioeconomic stuff, the news with Iran and China, and my goodness, S&P futures, the minis off 26. The NASDAQ 100 mini is rolling over off about 100 points. The Dow mini is off about 400 points. The VIX is going up slightly, could be oversold at 18.30. The Dixie showing some strength at 98.96, but the 10-year at 112-090. And crude oil's up $1.60, finally seeing some price action in crude oil. Gold was a new all-time high today. Silver bullion was up several dollars to a new all-time high above $86, $87. Soybeans, coffee, cocoa. So the stocks that are active today: Nvidia, Tesla, Advanced Micro Devices, Meta Platforms. Google's doing great, up 2%. Microsoft, Mr. Softy, Intel's up. Micron Technologies off about 3%. Apple Computer, and then Rocket Mortgage, RKT, chart of the day, their stock is trading at a new 3-year high. People are refinancing their mortgages. So that's being reported on bar chart. So just exciting news here. I go over, this is my journal for myself. Bitcoin's, trading today up to like 90, looks like 90, close to 94,000 on a breakout. So let's look at the futures market real quick here. Performance leaders. So stay with me to the end. I'll give you my trading plan. I do my daily journal here, and it's almost a powerful hobby, like weightlifting is. So silver, bullion, platinum, palladium, lithium, dryway, and gold, copper, and feeder cattle, the strongest graded weighted alpha. Silver's got a positive 177.45% weighted alpha. So I'm a seller of my silver bullion products. 4 years ago, when silver dipped, it was 100% downtrend, and it was the greatest negative weighted alpha, along with gold and silver, platinum, palladium. I was backing the truck up and purchasing such. Now, what commodity? Again, read my risk disclosure to play. This is just information. I'm not a commodity trading advisor. But the greatest negative weighted alpha is orange juice, butter cash settled, cocoa, rough rice, nat gas, cheese cash settled, and Bitcoin micro. So I'm a seller of silver bullion. You can hear my silver products here. I minted thousands of these coins that I sell on e-commerce. So I'm my own central bank in a sense. And so I sell these at some of them 500 to several thousand% profit margin into that great weighted alpha. So these are doing incredible. And then I take those hyperinflated dollars and then I look at, well, what commodity has got the greatest negative weighted alpha? That'd be orange juice, but it doesn't have that long of a, shelf life. So Bitcoin for me. So I've been buying the dip in Bitcoin and building a position in it, just like I did with the precious metals like 4 years ago. So I have indirectly cornered the precious metals complex again. So that's what I have on the futures, selling precious metals complex into the strength. Silver could go to $200 to $500 an ounce. Now that sounds a bit inflammatory, but the trend is your friend. So it's never too high to buy, never too low to sell. So that's what I have on bar chart. Bitcoin's pumping, doing incredible. Let's look at Yahoo Finance, got a lot of news there. Yahoo. And the news, of course, the geopolitics with Iran. I'm not a professional newscaster, but it's incredible. Here, inflation for December, beef continue to bite even as inflation continues to cool. Dimon backs Powell. So Jamie Dimon doesn't like Powell being persecuted. Klarna, news on it. Credit cards and Nvidia. Trump cap on interest rates. I think it's good. It's charging people 30% plus compound interest on credit. That is outrageous. Intel's doing awesome. Like and share. Give my videos a like and a share. I appreciate it. And I'm going to welcome all my subs. Trump calls Fed Powell incompetent and crooked. Super micro computer stock tanks off about 6%. Gold eases from record as traders mull rates. Silver tops $89. Man, rates are inching lower. Interest rates and Wall Street warn Trump stop attacking the Fed and credit card industry. I disagree, man. Persecute them. AstraZeneca, fight the Fed, man. End it. Some think that you should end the Federal Reserve. So this is what's being reported. Look at the stocks that are active. Intel, Nvidia, Plug Power is active, might be oversold. Active shares. So that's what I have for today. Running about 8 minutes, but this is my journal. And it's been amazing here looking at the trading and speculations on Bitcoin. So just give you an idea, I've been DCAing Bitcoin every day and then buying the retracements, the pullbacks in price. Been incredible this last week. I mean, buying Bitcoin as low as 89,900 and then selling, trading it for thousands of points a day, selling some today at 93,144 that I purchased the dip on yesterday at 91,270. So I'm profitable again in Bitcoin. So for all of those who traded on the margin, I'm been able to purchase your Bitcoin and, with asymmetric risk, Bitcoin can only go to zero. So that's what I have for today. Exciting times, man. Iran, China, World War III, Venezuela. So that's what I have running 10 minutes. I give thanks for my abundant supply now manifested, everyone. I have it now. It's John Taylor on his news desk, prop trading desk. Have a wonderful, super great day. Bitcoin, going to the moon, silver bullion. Time to sell it, take some profits. You tell me. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.